Hello friends, this is Manohar Veera from Exambing. In this session, we are going to see about the basic introduction to Indian sculpture. The sculptural traditions, forms, and styles of the civilizations of the Indian subcontinent. Sculpture was the favored medium of artistic expression on the Indian subcontinent. Indian buildings were profusely adorned with it and indeed are often inseparable from it. The subject matter of Indian sculpture was almost invariably abstracted human forms that were used to instruct people in the truths of the Hindu, Buddhist, or Jain religions. The nude was used both to represent the body as a symbol of spirit and to reveal the imagined shapes of the gods. There is an almost complete suppression of individuality in Indian sculpture. This is because the figures are conceived of as shapes that are most perfect and final than anything to be found in the merely transitory appearance of human models. The multiple heads and arms of sculptured Hindu divinities were thought necessary to display the manifold attributes of these gods' power. The major types of Indian sculptures are wooden sculptures, bronze sculptures, marble sculptures, stone sculptures, and sand sculptures. First, we will see about the wooden sculpture in detail. Indian wooden sculpture has marked its presence since ancient times and has been the evidence of artistic brilliance. Every region of India had developed its own style of wooden structures, marked with a distinct type of carving, strongly influenced by local traditions and the materials that were locally available. From the southern parts of India, the wooden sculptures and toys were popular for their intricate carving works and meticulous finishing. In Indian wood sculpture, idols of god, goddesses, and demigods are the most preferred themes. Next, we will see about bronze sculptures. Sculpture of bronzes immensely radiates a sense of immortality and powerfully reflects the fascination and mystery about the ancient cultures of Buddhism, Jainism, and Hinduism. The art of making bronze sculptures began in the Indus Valley civilization ages back to 2400 BC, where the Indus bronze statuette of a slender-limbed dancing girl was found in Mohenjo-daro. The stone sculptures and their inner sanctum images in the temple remained on a fixed place until the 10th century, where the newly emerged religious concept demanded that